Hey guys, what's up? My name is Josh here with Vault Feed. Just excited to bring you guys another video here. I'm pretty excited about crypto.com and CRO because I was able to get a card that's going to give me a whole bunch of benefits. So this video is not officially sponsored, but if there's a link in the description if you guys want to sign up, you can get $25 and then I get 25 too in CRO tokens. So that's pretty awesome. So definitely use that link if you want. One thing just to let you guys know, when I bought this, when I got the crypto, I decided to make my staking requirement to get the Indigo blue card, the Royal Indigo card. I decided to do that just based off of my own research. I was looking around trying to figure out what card would be the best and how I could actually start using my crypto and at the same time earning crypto. So the cool thing about this card, I'm going to open this. This is kind of like a little unboxing because I just received this in the mail. I believe it's the Royal Indigo card. And so first of all, let's just get to it. Open this guy up. Got my little Exceed Designs titanium knife here. We're going to use that to open this guy up. Let's see here. Packaged well, kind of cardboardish. And check it out. Oh boy. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Little booklet there. We'll look at that in a bit. And then we've got this. The Royal Indigo card. Okay, so we're gonna just open this guy up. It looks like we have to tear this thing. Now this is cool because this is a metal card. I had to stake a total of 4,000 CRO tokens to be able to get this. Oh boy, this is sweet. Check that out. That is super nice. This is going to be so exciting because I get 3% cash back on everything and there's no fee per year like most credit cards. And it gets deposited in crypto. Oh boy. Ooh, this is really nice. Check that out. Oh my gosh, I love that. Got a little note there from the CEO and co-founder. Oh man. This is seriously the nicest card I've ever seen. This is so cool. Look how thick that thing is. Oh my gosh, yes. Wow. So this is really neat right here. This is kind of just a little slide out. You guys may have seen it on other unboxing videos. It kind of has a two-part slide. I've never seen anything quite like that. Look at that. Anyways, this is beautiful. Shoot, I'll show you the backside, cover up my number there because that's probably a smart idea, but that's beautiful. Look at that guy. Look at that metal. It is thick. Like, it takes a lot of pressure to even bend that thing. Oh, that's so nice. That is pretty sweet, I must say. So I am very excited about that. That is a beautiful card right there. That is going to be going into my wallet. This is going to be definitely my number one card to use here. This crypto card right here. And the reason why is because a lot of reasons. One, I get my Netflix refunded and I get my Spotify refunded. So I calculated that out. That is around $300 per year that I'm getting paid back. My initial investment cost me around $4,500. It's more now for you guys because the crypto token has gone up in price. However, you can still get great benefits, and I believe in the CRO token. In fact, it was already up over like 20. I think it was like 25 cents just last week, and it's down now. So definitely excited because I bought in, when it was a little bit lower, but it wasn't even. I thought I was too late to even get in, but I was like, hey, the benefits alone at $4,000 initial investment, I'm getting $300 a year. That's like, a fairly good percentage back on the money alone just in the savings. It's not costing me any yearly fee, and as well as that is this card is also going to give me 3% cash back on everything. That's pretty awesome. And then to get the card, you stake the token and you get a percentage back. So I'm getting a 12% back like as we speak, which is super cool because I'm actually making money on the money that's sitting in there anyway. So like when I calculate it all up, it was like I was going to get probably around 20% per year-ish back, and that's not considering the 3% benefits that I'm getting. If I calculate that, if I start using this for all my purchases, last year my credit card I made, you know, like on my United card, it was around 100,000 miles. So if I spend 100,000 bucks on this card this year, that is going to be a fair chunk of crypto. So if you spend money on anything, this guy is really not a bad option at all, and it's not going to cost you anything per year. And with my initial investment and calculations, it was around 20% per year. Now, no bank will ever give you anything close to that. So, honestly, crypto is the future, and this card is part of it. And that's one of the most exciting things about this is what Crypto.com is doing is they're taking an exchange and making it useful to real life, you know, like the systems that we have in place today. I think crypto is going to replace all of that in the future, and there's going to be like a huge segue to that. But they're in this segue by creating a card that can actually be used at stores with Visa. So I think that is super exciting. I am really, really excited to start actually using this card. And so far I've been pretty happy. You know, as I say, I put in around $4,500. It's already up around $12,000. That's a pretty, you know, that's a pretty cool investment just right there, but not even, you know, if it goes back to whatever, I don't care. I'm here for the long game, but I'm definitely excited about what Crypto.com is doing. If you guys are interested, definitely check it out. Use my link, please. Use my referral code. You will get the $25, and it helps support the channel. So yeah, man, this is a pretty exciting thing, and I love this card. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to start using it now, and I would say that if you're going to use it, I'll have to make another review video about, you know, chargebacks and that type of thing, but I would say probably still use a credit card that can charge back things if you're planning on doing risky transactions that you may need to charge back on. But I would say on most others that you're going to trust and you just need to use that card, I would definitely advise using the crypto card. You know, get that 3% cash back on your crypto. There's different cards you can get. There's even like there's one that you only have to stake 4,000 CRO tokens. So even that one is going to refund some of your subscription fees on some things you may use. So that is just really cool alone. Like even the cheaper one is still going to give you back a lot of benefits. So check it out, subscribe. I'll be talking more about the CRO and how well this card works out as I continue using it. But so far, this is awesome. Check it out, Crypto.com. I've got a link in the description and also a referral code that'll give you 25 bucks. So yeah, shoot any questions in the comments. I'll let you guys know if you guys have any questions about the card or how hard it was to activate. It looks really simple. You just go to the app, done deal. So let me know in the comments, and have a good day, guys. Subscribe and like.